Alright, so we got for today. We got a Boss head unit, and then we got the interface wiring, and then we just got some other goodies, the antenna, we got a backup camera, and all that. So let's get it installed. Alright, so we got the negative battery terminal disconnected and the car and e-brakes. Now let's start getting it, this head unit out. Alright, so first we're going to move this top panel here. Then I got my plastic pry tools. We're just going to hopefully nicely and gently pry this off. So we're start the ones closest to the windshield first, and it seems like the front ones just come off a lot easier that way. Oh look, these bolts are already out. So then we're just gonna move on to the bottom one here. So we're just gonna simply it's a little hard with the four-wheel drive thing right in the way there. Pulling it from the bottom, then working your way up seems to work best. That one. Alright, next there's going to be two 7mm bolts at the bottom here. So we're going to take those off. Let me grab an extension real quick. Got one. Alright, so now this whole panel should come off, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Just be careful, because these ones are all going to have some type of wiring connected to them, so don't just like try to rip them out. Just be careful. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Alright, sweet. There we go. Alright, so then all that's left is let's get these four 7mm bolts out of the head unit, and then it should just pull right out. Make sure you keep your screws together, because you obviously don't want to lose those. That would not be fun. We added some light, so hopefully that helps out a little bit. There we go. Okay. One more. Now during this time we'll be playing music, so you won't be able to even hear us. So, have you ever tried editing videos?
No.
No. Dude, it's
Is it painful?
Sometimes, bro. Like if I was trying to be entertaining, I feel like it'd be a lot harder. But like most of my videos are just instructional videos at this point. Yeah. So it makes it a lot easier because then like you'll need to have like a, I don't know. Like it's just, to me it's a lot easier. Alright, now we're ready to pull this thing out. Now this thing's ginormous. Now let's see if it wants to. Nice. Okay. Here we go. So now obviously you're gonna have a lot of connectors in the back, so again, just don't go yanking it. Try to just be as careful as you can. And they're gonna have a little bit of slack, just because like it's a lot easier that way. But again, just don't go ripping it out. So just try to find the connections. It might be a little difficult to find them at first, but eventually you'll be able to find them. Maybe we'll feel for them too. Yeah, so it's pretty tight, so I'm not gonna pull anymore. So, let's see them. There we go, got one. I think that was the antenna. Then I got the main harness plug right here. Oh, and I think that's it. There we go. Got a little more space to work with. Put your thumb under there, and bang. Alright, there we go. Old one's out. Now let's get the new in. Alright, we're just trying to route the microphone wire now. We might have just got it. You got it now? Got it. You got it. So, there we go. Oh, dang. No, we didn't. Alright, this is what we're trying to do. We just pulled this panel right here down. And we're just trying to wire it simply right through here. Just so we can attach to the head unit. So we can sit the mic right around in this area. So it'll be hidden and won't look too bad. So we'll check back in. Alright, we finally got it through after it only took John tearing up his hand just to get it. So there we go, we got it through, and we got it through there. And we have to get all the other wiring set up, so we'll be back. Alright, so I think I got the harness all connected and wired together. So let's throw on some tape on it and take it to the car, see what happens. Alright, so we got it all wired, all the exposed wires covered. Let's see if it turns on. So plug in the factory, what you want to call it, adapter in. Then we got our new one here. And this is gonna go here. Like so until it clicks. Okay, I'm over it. Alright, that should be good. Then we need to grab our screen and insert it like that. Alright, so I think we should be good. Now let's see what happens. Nothing yet. Okay. I think I have to hook up the parking brake wire in order for it to receive power. Alright. We'll try again. Alright guys. Don't forget to connect this. So this should light up. It's blue right now. And we're gonna test to see now if you have power. And look at that. Good stuff. It is on. That makes me happy, happy, happy. Now, let's see if we can play some music. I don't know if it'll allow us to yet, but I'm gonna pull up my settings. Smart thing would be plug in Apple CarPlay. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So can you hold this with one hand, John?
Yeah, I can.
Thanks. Alright, so then we have our USB inputs down here, which obviously is not going to stay down here. We're going to find some other place to put them. We're going to plug it into the Apple CarPlay. I gotta put my phone in. See what happens. There we go. So we got music, which is awesome. So we got the Clark family playing. Amen. Good stuff.
Nice.
Very, very nice. Very happy.
More than a fantasy or fairy tale.
Nice.
Far beyond our wildest.
So then this is our customization spot right here. So we got different settings we could choose.
As amazing as it sounds, I know it's real.
Back out of that. We got the radio. Which I don't think of the antenna hooked up yet, do we though?
Nah.
No, we don't have the antenna hooked up. That mutes it. Then we'll go back to Apple CarPlay.
Cause when I
Nice.
was just a boy, my daddy told
What's up?
me
Alright, working.
where
Yeah, dude.
Grandma and Grandpa
Alright, so now let's test out the bass. Let's see what we got.
I could believe as I held on to the promise I'd see them again.
My favorite bass test artist.
It may not be today, but I can see their faces.
Ronald Jenkins. If you never heard of Ronald Jenkins, then you're missing out. Alright, here we go. So I should have done a before and after, but getting a good head unit truly unlocks your sound capabilities in your car. So this is just a test run, obviously, and the results are amazing. But we are short of being done. We still got the backup camera to install, and also the microphone is set in place and stuff like that. But again, this is just part one, and then we'll finish it next time. So we'll see you guys. Bros are out.